have a GLE 250D and 4matic, and the customer is complaining. I can show you. If you can see, the car is in the park. When you're putting in a reverse and little bit jerk, what is going in a reverse? Okay, but when I am gonna put in drive and it's going to D3 and it's making a big cranking noise on there, we have to switch it off. Then we have to start the car again. Now we have to put in drive. It's saying D1, and when I am trying to move, it's move, but sometime it goes to the N. I want to show you. See, when I am putting like D and then trying to move, is move, but sometime, if you can see, now is in D. See, I am trying to move, I am putting D. See, is doing like this, D and reverse and D, put in a P, and then I need to put in D1, and then is move. It goes to N3. You can see D3 here. That's showing. This is the problem of the problem is in the gearbox. Okay, when we try to diagnose this one, and then we're gonna see what code is coming on there. If you can see here, you go in a this is the code coming, P073E00, reverse gear cannot be engaged, and 07B700. The signal of pressure sensor is impossible. Basically the problem is in the controller. Inside have a controller, TCM, transmission control module, and have one sensors on there. He controlling all the pressures and giving to the clutches, and the problems come, he giving a wrong reading on there, and that's the common problem. 9-speed gearbox. So if you have the problem of like that, we can fix your problem. You have to bring the car, and you can leave the car for 4 to 5 hours, and car will be ready, and it's come with the warranty. We are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. My garage name is Hounslow Motor Limited. You can see my review, everything, and then you can book with me. My phone number is 07402536382. We are in Hounslow, and you can contact me through WhatsApp and send me the picture of the codes, and we can solve your problem. And you can get my address as well automatically if you send the picture of the codes, and we can send you the automatically message. If you can see, we can clear the code, but the code come back when you're driving. Doesn't matter, sometimes the car cold, sometimes car hot. Is depends on the car, but sometime when it's go warm, then is problem, and shifting on number 3 straight away goes. So if you have the problem of like that, you can contact me. We can fix Mercedes E-Class and VW as well. So you can contact me anytime, and we can solve your issue. Thanks for watching my video.